is going to be one of the top performers in this upcoming bull run, and I'm going to show you exactly what price we can expect at the peak of this bull run with Hedera HBAR. Before we get into today's video, I'm going to mention a few things. One being, if you're new to trading and new to crypto, go down to the link in the description and make sure you find my Twitter link. Go follow me on Twitter. I post literally all of my trades on there absolutely free for the time being. This is not a permanent situation, but it is very temporary, so definitely go and take advantage of free trades right now. Go and follow the link in the description. It is my Twitter. I post all my trades absolutely free on there. And secondly, if you want a more advanced method to trading, a simplified method to see real results within cryptocurrency and other instruments, I highly recommend you go and purchase my course down below. This is a quick plug. It's literally $27. Price is going up right in the new year, so grab it now while you can. It is $27, and I show you exactly how I trade. Again, go and follow me on Twitter, and you'll see kind of a glimpse of that. I have a really good track record. I have an 80% win ratio, so that's all I'm going to say about that, and we're going to get back on topic to today's video. Okay, so what price can we realistically see HBAR get to in this upcoming bull run? Currently, Hedera is ranked number 30 in the coin market cap realm. It's got a fairly large market cap of about $5 billion. Its all-time high market cap was around 6.7 or $6.2 billion. If I'm not mistaken, it had a very large market cap, $6.7 billion. And at that time, it was trading at around 58 to 52 cents, somewhere in that range. And I do think we're going to retain that range. We're going to come back to that 50-cent mark relatively easily, and we're going to break that down in this video. So the total supply of HBAR, there's about 50 billion tokens out there, and the circulating supply is about 38 billion of those 50 billion. Just doing some quick math, if we divide the 38 billion into the 50 billion, there's about 76% of the tokens in circulation right now. If you come down here, you can see the all-time high was 56 cents in September of 2021. Currently, HBAR is trading at about 15 cents. It's really just trying to maintain this level here around the 15-cent mark, and if we do see a break above this body right here, or even better, a break above this old high here, this wick, we are definitely set to go even higher, but let's just take it one step at a time and get past this body high here at about 0.157 cents. On the grand scheme of things, I think HBAR is easily going to hit that $1 mark. I don't see it getting any higher than that $1.50 mark if we're lucky, but I do think we'll obtain that $1 mark relatively quick. So let's just take our $1 and let's divide that by the current price right now, which is about 15 cents. So that means if we go 6.5 times higher than this current price now, this 15 cents, we're going to be at our $1 mark, which is great. Looking at HBAR's market cap, we're at about 5.8 billion. So let's take that 6.6 that we need to multiply by. Let's multiply that by our $5.8 billion market cap. So once we hit $38 billion in market cap on HBAR, we will be around that $1 mark. As you can see back here in 2021, the old all-time high for market cap was about 7.1 billion. Although we're $2 billion off of it, which in the grand scheme of things isn't a lot. This upcoming bull run, we are expected to just demolish this old high of 7.16 billion, and we will definitely continue on into higher levels. I've ran our Fibonacci from our old all-time high in the market cap down to our low, and if we hit that first key level, which is the 1.618, that brings us to an $11 billion market cap. If we currently trade at about 5.8 to get to that $11 billion market cap, if we would simply just multiply that by 2, we'll be at that $11 billion market cap. So once we hit this 1.618 level on the Fibonacci, we'll be trading at about 30 cents per HBAR. If we continue higher, our next key level is 2.618 at about $17 billion in market cap. So for argument's sake, let's just multiply the 5.8 by 3, which will bring us up to close to $17 billion in market cap. We will then be trading at around 45 cents per HBAR. I want to come back down here and just see how much we're respecting these levels. So when we come down and we trade, we've hit our low. We came back up, retraced to hit the 0.236 Fibonacci level, and we've come back down. We finally came back up and hit the 0.382. And we've come back down. We've come up and perfectly respected the 0.618, which is the most key level in the Fibonacci. We've come all the way back down. Again, just trading in between these levels, respecting each and every level. And now we're right back up here at this 0.786, and we're going to see whether we respect it or if we just blow right through it and go into price discovery. I've just come up to the 4.236 level, which is about a $27 billion market cap. If we take that $27.5 billion market cap and we divide that by our current $5.8 billion market cap, that's going to be about a 4.75x. Now let's take that 4.75 and multiply that by our current price of about 15 cents. And if we do reach this $27 billion market cap level, we'll be at about 71 cents per HBAR, which in my opinion is a very good return and it's still very realistic. With the momentum we see on HBAR right now, you can see it's pumping at a very rapid rate. We have this huge rally right now. It's pushed up and it's broken all of these old highs that we have over here. It's just pushed right through and it's broken everything beyond this range down. Clearly HBAR is very bullish right now. You can tell by my indicators here. The blue has crossed over the red and the purple EMA, and it is a very bullish action right now, which is a great sign for HBAR believers and holders. Of course, somewhere in the near future, we are expected to come back down and retest certain levels. If I had to guess, just looking at this chart, somewhere in this zone is a pretty key level. You have a bunch of, you have support and resistance, resistance, resistance. So it's a very key level. I would not be surprised if we came down to this level at some point in the near future once we break this high. Here we are on the price action for Hedera HBAR, and I'm just going to draw from our old all-time high down to our all-time low. And we're going to repeat that same process that we used using the market cap. If we just went into price discovery, once we break all these old levels, and we just hit that 1.618, which is our first level of price discovery, or after price discovery, we are right there at that 91 cent mark. So again, I think it's very attainable. We see a $1 HBAR in this next bull run. If we keep heading up the ladder here and we get to that 2.618 level, you see that we have a $1.45 per HBAR. I think it's going to be between these two ranges here is somewhere where we're going to max out. I don't think we're going to go any higher than that, but of course, with the cryptocurrency world, anything can happen. If we were to hit that 4.236 level on the price action, we would see each HBAR be at $2.33. Of course, I would love to see that. I have a huge bag of HBAR, so if that would happen, praise the Lord. That's all I can say about that. I couldn't even process my thoughts. So that's what I think is going to happen with Hedera HBAR. I'm very bullish on it. We are just going to keep an eye on this level for the next week or so. Hopefully in the next day or two, we do keep above these levels and we break above. And at that point, we will see a momentum change once we break out above these highs. We'll see a bit of a retracement come down before we ultimately go back up. So our very short-term targets are about 25 cents. If you enjoyed my breakdown of where I see HBAR going and you enjoy this type of content, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Again, go ahead and check the link in the description for my trading course. It is extremely cheap, extremely affordable, and very valuable. Go follow me on Twitter. You can enter every single trade that I see and I enter. So go ahead and follow me on Twitter and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.